So what other famous people stayed here?
The other famous people here are Juicy Vlogs. If you always watch vlogging, you probably know Juicy Vlog. Juicy Vlog went to Bicol, and that's how we found this Airbnb.
Yeah.
And if you will check their vlog, they also have discount coupon for the Airbnb.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Oh, it's starting to cloud over.
Oh, the
It's just starting to cloud over again.
But it's fine. They saw it earlier.
Oh, there's a lot of footage we got. Anyways, yes. So
this will be our.
basically, we copycatted Juicy Vlog. We stayed in the same place and we did the same excursion.
Yeah, exactly. But this is one of the best Airbnb that you can find here.
Yes.
Bicol. I know I'm so tired. We just come back from an ATV tour.
Yeah.
And I did a zip line.
We did the zip line.
I was afraid at first, but in the middle part, I was like, oh, it's fun.
Problem on the ATV, you can always ask Junjun for an assistance. Okay? So, are you ready?
We're ready. Where are we going, honey?
We're going to ride an ATV going to Black Lava to see Mayon. I hope Mayon will show up today, but we're so excited to get our ATV ready today. And we have our tour guide, Junjun.
Junjun. Junjun is our tour
will
guide.
Take care of us.
Yes. Make sure we don't fall into the volcano. Okay, Junjun.
Oh yes. Hi.
So how fun was that?
So much fun. It's awesome. The ride was awesome.
All right.
And I'm a good driver.
Yeah, yeah. And we're gonna head to the top of the volcano now.
We're gonna head to the Black Lava, but it's actually at the bottom of the volcano. It's very close to the volcano.
Yeah, it's a big helipad.
And we're gonna fly our drone there.
Perfect. I'm gonna get Coney to go on this zip line. See if we can talk her into it. Tony! Hey, Dougie! You wanna be in the vlog, Dougie? Wanna be in the vlog? Guess what? You're in the vlog.
I don't wanna seize all the things that we have done tonight. It's a mystery that we never took a chance before. I'm looking at you and you're looking at...
So,
Are you like taking video of me in a bad situation?
yeah, this is the situation.
Ah.
She's got to hike all the way up there, which actually isn't that far.
I know, wait.
But Tony's going to take a break
Maybe
every...
like, cause this one is like, what do you call that?
You got a muscle spasm?
Muscle spasm.
Or you just sore legs?
It's like super tight in the muscle spot.
Oh, you need to stretch your legs. You know the best way to stretch your legs?
What?
To hike up a hill like that. Did you just swear again?
No!
It's almost like stairs in here. Stairs in the lava rock.
Walk.
It's harder.
Good
It's the
luck.
harder part.
Let Kuya bring your bag going down. So you can,
Yeah, okay.
so you can, Kuya can like go.
You really can't beat this. Top of the world. Beautiful sunny day. There's the city below us. That's Legazpi. That is a volcano. Let's see if I'm pointing the right way. We're here. Top of the world.
Yeah.
The helipad.
Pretty. A closer look to Mayon volcano is so amazing.
Yeah, and it's, you know what? It's almost like
And it's
clouds are
very
always there.
humid. It's noontime, but it's very humid. It's not super hot. And the air is so nice. No pollution.
Just a little bit of a breeze.
Yeah.
You gonna take the zip line?
Yeah.
You are gonna take the zip line? High five.
I don't want to walk down. So for easy access, it's at this side, it's just gonna take seconds to go there, and we
So-
walk like 10 minutes. So I might just go to the zip line.
Okay, cool.
You and you echo me back. We're coming to terms that it's all we can do. Oh, 'cause all we ever wanted was changing our lives tonight. I found you in the mist. Got the poison by your kiss. I've waited all this night for this moment to arrive. Just can't hold it back no more. I found you in the mist, got poisoned by your kiss. Only lasted